Housing Justice supports tenants in and around Bendigo with issues relating to their tenancy, which could be for rent arrears. They may need support in sustaining their tenancies, and they may need help to move from a property to another property. So we provide outreach to Castlemaine, Kyneton, Maryborough and Echuca, and everywhere in between. We will go to people, we see them in their homes. We can also see them in other agencies, so that making access to justice a lot more easier for people.
The tenancy issues that we see are notices to vacate being issued, and they could be for numerous reasons. So 120-day notice to vacate, so that's no reason. Rent arrears. With rent arrears, it could be for numerous reasons that are impacting on their situation. So it could be from mental health, it could be family breakdown. We link in with some local agencies and we act on this pretty quick because it's really important that there's a clear plan put in place.
A day at VCAT is never ever the same. You can walk into that courtroom and you'll have 4 different matters and you're the only advocate there. You need to be operating on your feet and making sure that everyone's supported and everyone knows exactly what they need to do in that process.
VCAT can be quite daunting. It can be really daunting for the tenant as well. Just at times VCAT can be used as an empty threat almost, like if this isn't done, we'll take you to VCAT. We're there talking to the tenant and just trying to ensure them that VCAT's a safe place to go to, and it's really clear once that process has gone through, there's an order in place and that's the direction.
It's also set in a court scene, so a lot of our tenants have been through that legal process, so it's very intimidating for them, and quite often just us to be there with them and support them, standing by them and talking to the real estate agents just makes that whole process a lot less daunting for them. The relationship between the real estate agents and the tenants, it's broken down already. The communication's gone. So that's where we need to step in.
We have really good relationships with real estate agents, and this assists with the plan going in place as well. It's properties that aren't managed through a real estate agent. At times they're unclear of the Residential Tenancies Act, so they behave in ways that they think's right, and it's not the case. Like, you need to inform them that there's a process they need to take.
There's so many people out there that just don't have that support network, and we can provide that for people. And just knowing that after that VCAT hearing, they know exactly what they have to do and what's going to happen from there, and just seeing the relief in their faces and they thank you for that just makes it all worthwhile.